Hello, and we're making Thai chicken curry buns today. My mom made the filling though. I'll ask for her recipe next time, hopefully, if there is a next time. So I'm using the same buns recipe as usual, but this time I'm doubling the recipe. Yeah, I grabbed the same items again. I grabbed it again, see? Because I forgot that I'm making doubling the recipes. I gotta repeat everything again. Technically, I'm doubling the recipe, which make a total of 32 buns. But one of the buns is too big. So we're gonna cut it in half and make around 64 buns. Right now, I'm just cleaning the messes that I made. It's a lot of mess, I would say. I made a big mess. So here I am, of course, stir mode for 15 minutes. Gonna cover it with a damp towel and put it in a dark place or a warm place, both, for an hour or so. Now, after an hour of resting, I'm going to put it on. I have to stir it up again to get rid of the bubbles. Come on, put it on. Got it. There we go. Now push it down. Turn it up. And stir it on stir mode for 5 minutes. Now I'm cleaning. Flowers everywhere on the counter. Now I gotta put the dough down. Dough. Come on. Ooh. Bleh. I'm just gonna leave it rest for now. Hopefully it comes out on its own. It didn't. I had to drag it out. But now I'm just cutting it into 32 pieces. But in spoiler alert, the buns is too big, so I cut it down again, which made around 60 something pieces. Ooh, which is a lot. Now after putting all the fillings in, my mom's here to help. She's also made some raisins fillings and also some strawberry cream cheese fillings. So I made that bear over there, if you can't see. So we're gonna bake at 350 for like 16 minutes, I would say. We have to bake it 2 times because it's a lot. So here's the strawberry cream cheese. There's raisin. And this is the chicken curry. Anyway, bye!